The next item we're going to insert is the pump. So just going to kind of pick it up, and we're just going to just set it in here for now, just to kind of have it anchored. Now we'll deal with unfurling the power cord and all that stuff a little later, but I like to have this pump where this part is pointing up towards the pressurized sand filter, because we're going to have a little extension tubing that's going to go up to it. So we just have it orientated in this direction for right now. So, and then we'll make some little adjustments here in a bit. Let's get the water pump set up. Now I've got the cord unraveled here. Now it comes with a 20-foot cord, which is overkill for this setup, but that's fine. We'll just pull this thing out and then we'll hook it up here in a second to the switch box. Now I always like to make sure that this pump is sitting in here where this is my bleed off bypass valve right down here. Now this is going to control how much volume is going to be coming out of this part, because this is going to go up to the spray bar. Okay, and then this up here is controlling the flow going to the sand filter, to the pressurized sand filter. So I like to just kind of have this knob turned in the for beginning probably about like there, so about halfway. And then the other one I like to have almost full open. Okay, it can be off just a little bit. Okay, but this is going to control your flow. But when we first get started, I like to just have most of the flow going back into the tub, and then eventually let it feed back up into the spray bar, and then we can make those adjustments. Now we go ahead and hook up this part. Now this tubing just pressure fits into the 1-inch tubing, and we're just going to squeeze it in, make sure it's in there nice and tight, and then we're going to pull this forward just a little bit so it fits right into here. Same thing, nice and snug. Let's go ahead and put the tubing in that goes up to the spray bar. So I'm just going to insert this one piece right down here. It's going to fit right into that little side port, nice and snug and tight. And then we're going to bring this up and fit it right into the spray bar itself. Fits really super tight.